Have you seen this ad by HRX and Country Delight?
Protein is for all. This is my Mission Protein for India. And to kickstart this journey, I'm proud to announce the partnership between HRX and Country Delight. Together, Country Delight HRX Mission Protein will make sure protein isn't complicated or fancy, but simple, clean, and accessible for every Indian household.
What was your first reaction? ऋतिक रोशन, प्रोटीन, फिटनेस, स्टैंडर्ड सेलिब्रिटी कोलैब? बट थोड़ा ध्यान से देखो, ये सिर्फ ऐड नहीं, ये स्मार्ट बिजनेस प्ले है. एंड आई टेल यू हाउ. Well, India में 3 out of 4 people do not meet their daily protein requirements. 60% urban Indians don't consume enough protein. 74% को RDA का आइडिया ही नहीं है. 95% लोग इंटेक ट्रैक भी नहीं करते. Now that's a massive consumption gap sitting inside a dairy market worth nearly $30 billion projected to hit $44 billion in the next few years. अब नॉर्मली ब्रांड्स क्या करते हैं इस सिचुएशन में? प्रोटीन पाउडर लॉन्च करते हैं, लेकिन कंट्री डिलाइट ने मिल्क को ही अपग्रेड कर दिया. Using ultra filtration technology, they are delivering 30 grams of protein in 450 ml of milk, almost 2x the regular milk, without adding any kind of powders or synthetic stuff. Lactose reduced, clean label positioning, and premium pricing justified. Now let's think business. Country Delight already does 1.5 lakh plus daily orders and 8 million monthly deliveries. FY24 में revenue was around 1,380 crore. Gross margins were anywhere between 35 to 50% and spoilage was under 1%. Now that means supply chain tight है, routes optimized है, and cold chain already controlled है. So if even 15 to 20% existing users shift to high protein milk, distribution cost almost same रहता है, but ARPU, that is average revenue per user, jumps. Higher price, same route, better margins. Subscription model plus prepaid wallet means stronger LTV and lower churn. Now let's see HRX का angle. Apparel is transactional. You buy a t-shirt once in a while, but nutrition is daily consumption. By entering milk, HRX shifts from wardrobe presence to kitchen presence. Brand frequency suddenly multiplies. Instead of occasional interaction, अब brand रोज सुबह 7 बजे घर के अंदर आ रहा है. How genius is that? And protein category in India is already heating up. Well, for example, Amul's protein milk saw over 30% surge recently. Premium dairy demand is structural, not niche. Strategically, this partner does 3 things at once. Commodity milk को functional premium product में convert करता है, HRX को daily ritual में embed करता है, and subscription economics को strengthen करता है through premium SKUs. Take a guess about the next obvious move now. High protein dahi, paneer, batters, breads, full protein basket. Because once you own the morning ritual, cross-selling becomes very easy. ये celebrity marketing नहीं है, ये मार्जिन एक्सपेंशन प्लस हैबिट कैप्चर है इनसाइड अ प्रीमियमाइजिंग इंडियन मिडिल क्लास. मिल्क भले ही लो मार्जिन होता है, लेकिन हैबिट हाई मार्जिन ही होती है. एंड दे आर पोजीशन देमसेल्व्स एग्जैक्टली वेयर द हैबिट बिगिंस, दैट इज 7 AM. नाउ दैट इज नॉट रैंडम, दैट्स स्ट्रेटेजिक टाइमिंग. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस? लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स डाउन बिलो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आई विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वन.